it's happening. If we look at the okay, all right, if we look at the, I think my Wi-Fi is glitching out here. All right, so if we look at the so it's kind of no wonder why the small caps are going. Okay, let me start over because you didn't see the other ones because my Wi-Fi is fucking up. 1 to 10 bingo shares everyone is going to buy at 1 p.m. Eastern time, so 15 minutes, Central time, 12 p.m. So yes. All right. Yep, I am. I'm gonna do a market order at 1. Yeah, we're gonna try to push the price up, and yeah, it'd be small, and it's actually a perfect time. I'm actually kind of glad. I know a lot of people are getting their hopes that are getting really sad right now because Bionano's dying. Okay, it's not actually dying. I'm just messing. We're absolutely fine. Okay, we're fine. I promise you. But what do you call it? Okay. I'm gonna do a market order. Sorry, I keep getting texts. I have to keep the phone. I have to keep my phone, the notifications on because I might get a text for the laptop. The laptop might come soon. Anyways. All right, back to 2 relevant information, right? So I'm going to do a market order at 1 p.m. Yeah, I'm just going to do one of these. One of these boys right here, market order. We're going to do one of those at 1 p.m. I think I'm going to do, if we stay down at 553, I'm going to do like at least 20 shares. I just got Keenan Grace to post it on his wall. Let's go. What do you mean wall? What do you mean? What exactly do you mean by wall? All right. So there was a lot of different stuff with the Reddit, the patent thing. Always right. Are you there, my friend? I think you might be wrong. Here's the thing. Where is the actual? Okay, I'm gonna have to do it the hard way. Well, here's the thing. Okay, I'll just give you the ape language. You know what? Because we already did so much patent stuff. He always right. Jason Smith, the legend himself. He actually could be wrong on that post. The sequencing by emergence patent showed up on search for Bionano patents. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's great. But the patent itself still had Bionano's name on it, right? It did. It did have Bionano's name on it. And if we actually look here, I'm 99% sure. Let's just make sure. I do remember that. I guess I could be remembering wrong, but I'm 99% sure I'm not. So here it is, right? So it does say right here. It says right here, Bionano Genomics Incorporated, right? So I don't know. This is true. The patent is good news. Nothing has really changed with our patent synthesis, right? That it's really good, that it's good news. It is always right, corrected himself, I guess. Does not appear, however, that patent does not appear to be a Bionano patent, but one done by X Genomes. Hid my post feverishly confirming. I don't know if he's talking about some other patent, but the one that we were going over, it is for Bionano. It is 100% Bionano Genomics. So I mean, you can't, so there you go. Anyways, back to the pumpage. We're gonna do some YOLOing here pretty soon. Yeah, please know what you're doing if you're gonna match me on this trade. Please know what you're doing. Cheers, my friends. This is to pumping Bionano organically and naturally. We're gonna pump it at 12 p.m. Eastern time, my friends. 11 minutes. Three other platforms on board, huh? Right. Yeah, we've got, 11 minutes. Yeah, and talking a little bit about the small caps getting killed, right? Small caps got absolutely fucked in the ass today. Holy crap. Russell 2000 is just struggling to stay up there, man. NASDAQ is pushing. NASDAQ is doing really well, but today we got one of those days so far. NASDAQ goes up, Bionano stays still, and then the NASDAQ goes down. Bionano's like, it's like, what the heck is this? This is just not fair. And you get days like that with the small caps. You really do just get days like that. It happened even before February 16th. And the thing is, I would not be surprised if either A, the NASDAQ kind of corrects down to the small caps, or B, the more likely option, IWM, Russell 2000, corrects up to the NASDAQ. Because there is a rubber band. Bngo just tweeted, no, I did not know that. No, I did not know that. Let's go. They just tweeted. Okay, optical genome mapping allowed by Dr. Broach. Okay, this isn't going to be a new one, is it? Gosh dang it, they keep getting my hopes up. Is this not new? Dang it, they keep doing old ones. I mean, I like the marketing, but like, oh, they're faking us out. They are faking us out. Anyways, Penn State Institute they reconstructed complicated genomic changes in HPV-induced head and neck cancer that next generation sequencing hasn't been able to identify. Nice. We already knew that it can identify greater than 500 base pair detection, and sometimes below that, actually. So that is nice. That is good. Waiting to see if Chris Sane responds. No way. No way. How was skating? It was good. I didn't kill myself. Skateboarding, my friends. It's dangerous. Don't do it. All right. IWM is pushing a little bit. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I've got an order in for 550. Of course, it didn't fill. Of course. I wouldn't be surprised if we just started heading to the moon right now because my order didn't fill. It's probably gonna, honestly, one thing, worst case scenario here, I guess there's cases that are even worse than this, but let's say at 12 p.m. Eastern, let's say in 9 minutes here, if we actually were able to get, I don't know, if we were able to pump this all the way up to $6 or whatever the hell, right after that, shorts and hedges they start that short position instantly at the top and they push it all the way back down to here. We can't sell. We can't sell, man. At least that's what I'm doing. You guys do whatever the hell you want, man. If you want to take advantage of this little pump and dump that we're trying to do, I'm not trying to pump it down. I'm just trying to pump it and keep it there. I'm hodling my shares. Trust me. You're gonna see me hodl. But that's a problem. If people start selling out, if we pushed all the way up to 6, if we combine the selling, profit taking with hedges taking up new short positions as an intraday high, or even not even intraday high, maybe 570, 560, whatever we get to, if we make a difference, right? Who the hell knows if there's gonna be enough people actually dropping shares, picking up more shares at in 8 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun, that's for sure. It's gonna be a good run, hopefully. JMIA is down. Mara is down. Man, I'm so glad I saw Mara this morning. Man, high growth. High growth is the problem today. High growth is just bleeding. Look at that. Nano Dimension, they were up like 5% on the earnings news earlier. Now it's just slow bleeding. That's kind of how all the stocks are doing. Same with Microvision. Exact same chart. Even the same with Skills. You had a nice push in the pre-market and then this one actually after the open. Slow bleeding. MP is weird. Okay, MP doesn't have enough volume to follow everything else, right? Zomedica, same thing, man. Gosh dang, all of the good high growth companies just taking a beating today. Taking a beating. 7 minutes, boys. 7 minutes. This is probably going to be nothing. Like, I'm excited for this, but it's probably going to be nothing. Yeah, I think we finished strong. I do think Bionano finishes strong today. I mean, we got that great patent news. We've got 840K shares by the insiders. They procured them. They are still holding 2-hour knowledge. I'm not sure if IRS came out and said all Bitcoin transactions over 10K are to be reported. That's why Mara is falling. Well, that would mean Bitcoin needs to be falling as well. That wouldn't make sense if just that would only hit Mara. Or are you talking about just the mining ones? Or you said all Bitcoin transactions is in selling and buying, right, my friend? This group won't move the price at all, lol. Maybe a penny or two. Yeah, that's kind of true, Bart, but this isn't actually my idea. This is the Weeble comment section. I saw it on the Weeble comment section. Apparently, there's other YouTubers that are doing the same thing. I don't fucking know. I don't care if it goes up. Dude, it's just a fun thing to do. And it's a good idea to accumulate as many shares as you can, especially on a red day today, like when the markets are pumping. It's very wise. It's very wise long term if you know if you've done your due diligence and understand the risks. Very wise. Maybe we can pump in some volume, right? We pump it up a little, get some green candles. People start getting alerted, like, a heavy mover. Then boom, then we start squeezing. We got heavy. Hey, short interest is high, man. Short interest is very high. Yeah, Bitcoin should be. So hold on. All Bitcoin transactions over 10K are to be reported. What is? In what way? Do they have to fill out a little form to the SEC, or what? Like, what is that exactly? Do you have any details, EJ? I think it is all Bitcoin transfers over 10K, but buying and selling, but not buying and selling. Okay. 3 to 5 year hold, man. Yep. Yes, sir. And name it nano nozzle in a couple years. That's the truth, man. That's the truth. So we got 5 minutes till. We got 5 minutes till we are attempting to pump the stop price at 5 minutes. We'll see what happens, man. How many shares, if anyone, how many shares are you thinking about adding when we get to 4 minutes here? 4 minutes exactly. What are y'all thinking? Yeah, Russell 2000, man. It's just been a beating. It's just this index is taking a beating in all the stocks in it. IRS formed to help prevent money laundering. All right. That's why I like Mara, man. I mean, that's kind of why. There's so much, alleged corruption, money laundering, not clean, not compliant, breaking the rules, Bitcoin transactions and stuff. Mara is going to be totally compliant with everything, man. They are building the first DCM or DM. What is it? DMC? I don't even know. The first huge mining pool of a ton of Bitcoin miners ever in North America. It's the biggest one in North America, I believe. I got to go, but just added 10 right now. Good luck, everyone. All right, EJ. All right, my friend. Fair enough. 210. All right. 200. We got another 200. 100. Oh, guys, please know what you're doing. I love the enthusiasm and the I don't know, the participation, but this is good. Please know what you're doing. Of course, most of you already know the disclaimers. Please know what you're doing. This is not necessarily an auspicious buy. Okay, now for me, this is a long-term steal in my opinion, but please do your own research, boys. We could go down to $4 tomorrow and then we would look like idiots, all right? That could definitely happen. Bngo is only 1% down. Come on, it's not doing that. It's bad, but it's really not. I mean, if you look at its peers, Microvision, Nano's mentioned, they're the same. Skills is holding up nicely. Mara is down. SENS is down. Everything, pretty much everything is down. I mean, you only have a few that are not really doing bad. And if you just look at the index, this is why. I mean, you've got the Russell shitting. I mean, it is shitting on everyone's face right now. We got 2 minutes till 12. 2 minutes. All right, I'm going to go back to Bionano's 1 minute chart so I can actually focus here and I won't forget. All right. So it looks like that's a fair amount of shares. We're going to add oh man. I heard we can just come after you if it goes down. That's what the Bears are. That's what the Bears do. They come every day that Bionano is down, the Bears blame me. They're like, "Oh, this is proof that you're wrong." It's like, no. We're not going to know who's right for a while. And so far, I've been proved right. The financials, the fundamentals, the company keeps improving. So, all right. We got 1 minute here. 1 minute. Here we go. 1 minute, boys. Let's check that level 2. The Bulls are winning. Yeah, the Bulls are winning. Well, no, they're actually losing. Never mind. I looked at that wrong. Yeah, the Bulls are losing. Nice. That was anticlimactic. 10 million in volume. We've got no volume. We've got nothing. We've just got the channel and the community. That's all we've got. All right, 40 seconds. Or 50 seconds. Oh, man. What are your guys' predictions? Are we actually going to affect the stop price, or is it just going to be shit? Is it? Are we going to even do anything? Oh, and there is a little bit of stream delay. I think it's like, I don't even know. What is it? Like 5 to 10 seconds delay. So I guess, whatever. If you're 10 seconds late, it doesn't matter. Whatever. All right, here we go. I'm going to set in at the market order. Let's get it ready. I'm going to do 30 shares. There we go. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. All right, filled. Is anything gonna happen? Is anything gonna happen? Oh my gosh. Nothing. What? We're not even moving. What is this? What is this volume? Let's pull up the volume chart. Oh man. This is bad. Nothing? Really? I guess we got to give it a minute or two, but man. Wow, all right then. Well, so much for nothing. I mean, it was fun while it lasted, I guess. Damn, that sucks. I mean, I thought we were going to push up a little bit. No, there is pretty much nothing new except the Nasdaq and Russell 2000. They are both shitting itself. I guess the Nasdaq is doing good. Boom, we went up 1 cent. Yeah, let's go, boys. Let's go. Breaking Benjamin. Tell you what, should I put it like this? Which way do you guys like that? Is that better? Do y'all like it like that? What did I tell you, dopes? You didn't say shit. What are you talking about? Wait, Bart, you were the one that said it wasn't going to move, and I agreed with you, man. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This is just a random little movement started by a couple dudes in the comments, and I was like, okay, screw it, I'm in. So, all right. It's not like our hopes on the company were betting. It's not like we were needing that to actually do something. We all know in here that it isn't going to change. It's just a small group of folks having a good time. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, honestly. Well, it's not just us. I did not get this idea. I did not make up this idea. I did it because I saw someone in the comments say something about this, and I saw a lot of people getting support in the Weeble comments. I was like, okay, hell yeah, I'll do it. It's like, that sounds sweet. It's like, yes. I was like, heck yeah, man. So we did it. We did it, man. And you are going to thank me if you took that trade in the long term. Probably in the short term, probably in the midterm, but who knows what the hell. We can go down to $3. We can get that listed. Please know the risks, my friends. This is why I hate the bears. I always tell them, I can be wrong. We can go down to $3, but long term, if nothing's changed with the company, fundamentally, there's no reason why you've been right. Short term, you've been right, but that's just, no one knows what's going to happen. Anyways, yeah, I'm going on a rant right now. To the moon. To the moon. Oh, yeah, to the moon. I would do it again, even if it doesn't make a difference to the stop price. It's a good way to interact with your community. Yeah, I know. That was so anticlimactic, though. Oh, man. I mean, literally, we're just barcoding. Literally, I don't even know. I mean, we've tried, what have we tried? We've tried due diligence. We've tried videos. We've tried a Discord. We've tried Reddit posts. We've tried pretty much everything. You know what we need now is we need me and the other YouTubers to fly out to Bionano's headquarters and actually make a video about interviewing the CEO and a facility tour and all that. That's what we need. Also, talking about the Reddit, the subreddit here, buy and hold. Hey, I am for the apes, man. Everyone is against the apes in the Bngo subreddit, dude. I am 100% for it. Like, you can make the argument that apes are just going to make the Bngo shareholders more stupid. Yeah, but a lot of them, in the aggregate, it's better for the stop price. Obviously, it's better for the volume, and it's better for the number of knowledgeable investors, because I guarantee you some of these apes, let's say Wall Street Bets were to come in here, guarantee you many of them, at least some of them, are going to get interested in the company and realize they have something good here, and there are plenty of ways they can find any of the information that we have here. So that's why I'm totally for the apes. I'm totally for the Wall Street Bets or the apes getting involved. 100%. 100%. And I know there's some old timers like, oh no, I want to go up organically. Dude, like we can go up a little bit without like screwing over the company. You know, literally the stop price going up does nothing but help the company reach its goals. So for me, AMC to 1,000, Bngo to Mars. Well, I'm stuck with 1,000 shares now, low at 548. Hey, that's a better average than me. Hey, at least you're in the green right now. Its price target is going to be raised again once it starts trading in the $10 range. Yeah, oh God, I'm going to do a video on this. I keep getting this one person on the channel that we literally just keep going back and forth as to why the analysts downgraded their price target. And this person is making the claim that, you know, I'm trying to be respectful to him. I appreciate him, but he's trying to make the claim that analysts downgraded the price target because the Sapphire sales, it didn't sell for, you know, oh, we're just giving the Sapphire out for free, rental, Regent's rental program, right? And this is just not true. I actually saw a Reddit post a while ago that actually explained this perfectly. But what do you call it? God, the chats distract me so much. Anyways, yeah, I think the Sapphire, the sales, we got to beat on revenue. Consumable revenue is a lot, and you're not renting out the Sapphire for free. Eventually, you're going to have to pay for it. Also, a lot of sales are going to convert from the Regent rental program, so it's not necessarily a bearish thing. Plus, we don't even know the exact numbers. We don't know the exact numbers. They attributed, there was a couple quotes from the transcript that I commented and responded to this bear with, or I guess kind of bear. And it's not necessary. We don't know how many Sapphires were actually sold and how many Sapphires were actually finally seeing a little bit of movement. Finally, 12:05. Oh, 5 minutes after the time. Maybe we'll see if we hold this. Barcoding. Oh, God. Mountain Dew. Do the do, my friends. Do it, Anakin. Do it. Do it. God, I swear I used to be able to do a Palpatine accent pretty good. Not really. That's probably exaggeration. Mara's doing really well. Not really. We were 10% up today when I sold, but now we're getting a little bit of a short-term bounce. Taking a look at the markets. IWM is bouncing. IWM is bouncing, and we've got the apes hopefully on our side. Bionano, hopefully you can see a little push here. We'll see. We'll see. Right now we're holding up. We're holding up right now. So what's the reason why it's not going to the moon yet? I don't get it. Mostly because of lack of volume and interest, plus stupidity, and plus the high growth and IWM has gotten killed. You combine all of those things, and then you add in the panic sellers that don't know anything about the company, and you get a valuation of 556. That's how we get here. And I seriously think, and this is I always say it. I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna say this every day. If the channel blows up, that is the blows up, like, I don't know, 100, 2, 3, 500k subs, like, yeah, who the hell knows that's gonna happen? Probably not. But if that were to happen, that is the number one way that we actually blow up the stop price. And you may be thinking, Brandon, you're literally just pump and dumping. That's god awful. What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not doing that. I'm trying to pump it and keep it there. I'm hodling all my shares, and I'm literally, all we're trying to do with the channel blowing up, attempting, right? We're trying to get people to read this document. We're trying to get people to watch the due diligence videos, read the document, get interested in the company, and then make their best decision based on that, right? If it's investing in that, or hell, if it's shorting on that. If someone reads all this damn document, fact checks it, does their analysis, and then they want to short Bionano, all right, great. That's whatever. Okay, that's absolutely insane, but okay, whatever. At least read it, and I think in the aggregate, the more people that read it and see the channel, the more people that invest in Bionano. It's just simple. It's simple math. N equals Q, right? Tendies. What is it? What is the exact thing? N equals Q. What did we say? Bingo moon. I don't know what it was. I don't remember exactly. Bought one share, we moon now. Well, hey, if you have a lot of people buying one share, I mean, 10 shares, 100 shares, 1,000 shares. I have a lot of people do that. People do this all the time. AMC, GameStop, they do this stuff all the time, and it works. So, yes, it didn't work for us, but we didn't have any planning. I mean, this was just a spontaneous, fun thing. I mean, come on. If we wanted to, I could drop some more buying power. I could make a video explaining why, at what time, and Reddit posts, Discord, everything. We could probably pump it more than we did right now, which is, we pumped it like 1 cent. So, we pumped it 1 cent. So, Bngo's super trend on the monthly. Do you think it will flip tomorrow or Monday? On the monthly, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really look at the monthly super trend or SAR just because it's not good whatsoever. Do you think it will flip tomorrow or Monday? It's not gonna flip. It's not gonna flip. The monthly super trend, we would have to break below $3 for the super trend to flip, my friend. It's not going to. Tabby, what's up? Thank you. I love the suit. That's my sister. Tabby Baltus, that's my sister. Everyone make fun of Tabby. She's my sister. She's my little sister. Oh, man. Here's to Bngo. We love you, Auspicious. Is Bngo going to be $30 this summer? I want to say yes, but the bears and everyone is so dumb. And the high growth sector is not good. But my end of year price is $20 at least. At least $20. At least $20 in a year, if not way higher than that. If the nano nozzle comes out before, then yeah, we're gonna be $30. Yeah, yep. And we got the patent right now. Hey, always right. If you're watching Jason Smith, my friend, I don't think you're right unless you were looking at a patent that was different, which I can't fact check because you deleted the post, I believe. Yeah, you deleted the post. But the patent that we actually did here, Do I have it pulled up? Yeah, this patent actually is Bionano Genomics, right? He said it was, he says it's something else. Unless you're looking at a different patent, this is Bionano. So it is great news. So Bngo to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon. Yes. Yes, we must go. We must the moon. Pump the stonk. Stonks only go up. This is the way. Wall Street bet language. Get with the Wall Street bet language or get out of here. We're turning into apes. We already are apes. Not really. Okay, apes are fine. If you want to do the ape thing, hey, I'm for apes joining. All right, buy and hold. Bngo apes. Bngo to 6 today, then to moon, $20. Hell yes. Yes, upvote that. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. I'm for it. GME would be better, lol. Let's AMC it. Yeah, GME would be better. Is Bngo affected by the increase in COVID? Saw something at their conference about COVID. There's not going to be a super disproportionate effect for Bngo just because of COVID. I mean, just think about it, right? I mean, COVID should actually affect us less, actually, because we don't really do a ton of hands-on, door-to-door or close contact selling, really. Most of our sales, to my knowledge, it's marketing. It's the studies that prove the Sapphire's worth that we have 5 coming in. And I don't see that harping or stifling our progress a lot, like more than other companies, but it is going to be bad. It is definitely going to be bad. And what do you call it? The jobless claims. Yeah, this is what I was actually scared about. Let me go to the economic calendar here. All right. That's how professional my setup is. Let me go here. All right. All right, we're just going to leave it like that. Anyways, yeah, the jobless claims, let me see here. So the continuing jobless claims was 3.75 million and expected was only 3.6 million. So this definitely had a role, and then this definitely had a role. And here's the thing, if we what do you call it, for the jobs, no, God, what is Bionano doing? Bngo to the moon, come on. Come on, boys, we got to pump right now. No, I'm kidding. It's fine if we don't pump. But what do you call it? God, the chat. I have to stop looking at the chat when I'm about to make a point. I have to. I literally lose my thought every time. What was I even talking about? Okay, yeah, the jobs, right. If jobs come back to a really good level very soon, that's actually bad short term. It's good mid to long term for the markets, but it's very bad short term because you know what that means? If the economy is back to normal, interest rates are going up. Stimulus is not happening anymore. The Fed is going to taper them. So it's like, well, yeah, it's good. We got jobs numbers aren't looking horrible, but they kind of are. They kind of are. All right. Let me check God, why are the markets not doing anything? We need something exciting. Come on. We have nothing to talk about here. All right, IWM. Okay, there we go. That's something to talk about. IWM, finally. All right, you know what? Oh, I want to add more Bionano shares right now, but I've added so much. And I literally took profits on Mars today just for the reason of reducing risk and locking in profits, and I've thrown most of those profits back into Bngo. Look at that. I'm in the 1,500 range now. I got 1,500 shares. Yes. Hell yes. That's what we have to talk about because there's nothing else exciting going on. Wouldn't it be great if they actually dropped some PR right now on stream for like some actual news? Not a freaking month old freaking study here. Like actually that's like 4 months old. Gosh. But yeah. Yeah, can we get some actual news? That would be amazing. Anyways, yeah, I got 1,500 shares now. So, but yeah, because of I don't have much buying power left, yeah, I don't know if we're going to be adding any Bngo shares unless we dip more. So we will see. Bitcoin is 339, still holding up well. Man, the growth sector is still not rebounding. This is crazy. I would not be surprised if high growth starts to rebound. Okay, Microvision and Nano Dimension are rising right now, and Bionano is not. Bionano, it doesn't have the volume to. We have no volume. We have nothing. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Not even 10 million. Like, what are we supposed to do with not even 10 million in volume at like nearly halfway in the day? We got to pump the channel, boys. We have to pump the channel, and we have to pump the Reddit threads and any YouTuber that is bullish on Bionano. We have to pump them. We have to pump the due diligence. That's what we have to do. That's the only way. That's the only way, boys, to naturally increase the stock price without being corrupt. And also, if you're going to do that, please hodl with me. Don't pump and dump. Hodl through. That's the way. This is the way. We like the stonk. I like the stonk. As smart as this group is, we got to find other stocks and study them like Bngo, then we'd be gangster. Yes. We just don't have time. I'm going to be honest with you. I just don't have time to do a ton of other ones. I just don't. Okay, here we go. Good. Always right. Just updated it. Yes, yes, yes. This is what we need. This is what we need. This is the one that we just got, right? What? This isn't the right. This isn't the, what the? This isn't it. What is this? This patent granted early this month. Okay, yes. Where's the new one, though? Where's the new one? There's not the new one, bro. Always right. Is he? If you're watching right now, my friend, the patent we got today, it was Bionano Genomics. I saw your thing. You thought it was 10x Genomics. No, Bionano. It is Bionano's. It's Bionano's. It is Bionano's, man. It's not 10x Genomics. It's May 20th. There's news on the Weeble section. Let's see if they removed it. If they did, that would not be good. But no, they didn't remove it. It's there. This is good news. This is good news, my friend. I'm confused as to what you're saying here. I'm confused. Let's start a GoFundMe for Super Future Life Savings with Bngo. The Nasdaq is more exciting to watch than Bngo right now. I know. There's no vol. I'm so pissed off because I literally associate Bionano's low volume with my own incompetence. Literally. Like I need to find a way to get the views higher. Literally, we need to get. People don't know about Bionano. They don't know about why they're actually missing a once lifetime opportunity. They don't know that there's market manipulation. They don't know that they're getting a once lifetime opportunity to invest in something that's actually literally a net positive for the world. Good healthcare, increasing healthcare, increasing your life expectancy and life quality potentially. I mean, that is what they are trying to do, literally. So. And we're fundamentally undervalued, and you're going to probably make some money. That's the number one reason why we're all here, all right? We're trying to make money. Does that sound like Kevin O'Leary? Probably not. That's my attempt. That sounded like Kevin O'Leary. Chat Discord. Okay, what is happening? This one? Yeah, I did see this. Yeah, but there's nothing. I don't understand. Always Right needs to explain this to me. Dude, we... Unless, okay, let me do this again. Okay, let me make sure. This is not the patent. This is for the single molecule whole genome analysis. This is not new. This is from May 4th. The new thing is the cool thing. This, May 20th. And I think his thing, if I'm understanding right, he said he could be wrong on that post that I think is about, that includes the new patent, this one. He thinks for some reason that it's the wrong one, right? It's sequencing by emergence patent showed up on a Bionano search for Bionano patents. However, the patent does not appear to be Bionano patent. It does appear to be Bionano's patent because it is. It is. The name of the applicant is Bionano Genomics, right? So I don't understand. I don't understand what he's talking about. Somebody explain this to me. I'm so confused. Always Right is a legend. He's a great due diligence, but I think there's some sort of misunderstanding. I don't know if it's mine end or his end. Yeah, I feel like we're about to break out. We've been consolidating rather than tanking, in my opinion, though. Yeah, I agree with that. I definitely agree, especially considering what the Nasdaq is doing, which you may say, you may bring a contrarian opinion there. You could say that the IWM is more important than the Nasdaq. In my experience, the Nasdaq is pretty much just the same, just as important, if not more important, for Bionano. Historically, it has been, I think. Yeah, if we look at Bionano's chart here, we're really not looking that bad. Here, let me look at the, you know what, I never look at these indicators, so let me just look at these. All right, 30-minute SAR and super trend. We got the flip today, boys. That is bullish. We got the 1 hourly. Let's see what we're looking at. 1 hourly, we're looking awful. 1 hour, okay, 1 hourly, we're looking god-awful. We just got the bearish flip on the SAR. That is basically as bad as it gets. That is as bad as it gets. On the 4 hourly, we're looking pretty good, though. 4 hourly, we're looking pretty damn good. The super trend is green. And as long as we hold above $5, it's going to stay like that as of now. So, and we only need to break above, what is that, 583? Man, 583. God, perfect congruency with the price target and the natural level of resistance. Not natural, but the 21 SMA on the daily, right? The middle Bollinger Band. Perfect level of resistance right there. We got to break it. We got to flip that 4 hourly SAR. We got to break above that 21 SMA. Then we can continue higher and get in overbought territory towards that top band. We got to do it. We did it once. We did it once. We tried. We held above it once for like, you know, a couple hours, and then we got killed. We got killed. The shorts and hedges are after Bionano, man. Speaking of Mara here, Mara's doing pretty well. Look at that. Look at that volume coming in. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. That's what we need for Bionano. We need those green Green can't. God, what is this chart? What can I even say here? This is the most boring thing ever. This is literally just barcoding. Come on, man. Cup and handle still in the 4 hourly. Yes, yes, but the handle is so bad. It's like it's hard for me to say. It's hard for me to feel like that's a good cup and handle because the handle is so god awful, you know. But sometimes that's how it is. Sometimes it's just the handles are not clean. Sometimes it's not clean, right? That's just how it is. So who knows? The price target is all the way up at what 710 if we broke. So that's very bullish. Do you ever use volume profiles? I take a look at the volume. I do take a look at the volume, my friends. We gotta pump the volume. We are at not even. We don't even have double-digit volume in the millions, boys. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. We have. It's the same spiel every time. I feel like a broken record. Oh man. Yeah, there's going to be more stocks. Back up to your question about only a couple stocks. Yeah, I try to do more stocks, but it's just impossible. I do Bitcoin, I do microvision, nano sometimes in the streams, but Bngo and Bitcoin are my big two right now. Bitcoin / Mara. Those are the big two that we cover right now. And I'm JMIA, microvision, CTXR, BIOL, AGTC, nano JMIA, if I haven't said that already. Those are some other stocks that we cover. So I would like to do other videos on all stocks, but yeah, but Bionano, hey, let's be honest. Bionano gets views. I'm the best at Bionano, and Bionano has 1,000 pieces of news to dissect, literally. So it's like, yeah. Anyways, let me look at some other indicators here, see if we can find anything cool. Okay, the 1 minute is looking. We just got some death crossing on the 1 minute. That's cool. Moving averages don't really matter that much on the 1 minute, though, to be honest. Okay, that's a potential entry point. The 200-day EMA on the 30-minute, but be careful. Be careful with the what do you call it? Be careful with the moving averages on low time frames. I want to look at the 200-day EMA here on the 4 hourly. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. This is not good. It's not looking that great. I mean, there's plenty of bullish indicators, but it's basically, besides the chart pattern and the fundamental value of the company, it is really no clear indication the indicators are giving as to if we're more bullish or bearish here from here on out, and in the near term at least, I would say. If we keep getting rejected at 583 until we confirm the breakout above 583, there's not a clear direction. Like until we make our way to that price target 710? Yeah, 710. It's not looking good. Wow, Zoma hasn't broke 10 million either. Man, what is taking all the volume today, dude? I'm guessing the big tech stocks because the Nasdaq is so good right now. Man. Yes, series on due diligence. Yes, I've been thinking about that for a while. I'm going to do that. I've actually tried to do that a little bit, but I haven't gotten to it all because there's just so much. I can't even cover all Bionano's news. I can't. Speaking of news, let me check I guess this isn't news necessarily, but let me check. Let me check Fintel. Check if we got any more 13Fs here. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like the percentage has changed. And we've got nothing else. Okay, we've got nothing else. Well, it's what it is. It's what it is. AMC taking all of it. Oh, man. Isn't that down? Last I checked, it was down. 46 million. That's not bad. Isn't that lower than what it usually gets? Yeah. Okay. So they're not. Yeah. AMC. Yeah, they're on track to do good, but not crazy. But yeah, they are taking some volume. Man, that's the only thing that sucks about Wall Street Bets and AMC. They take the volume out of stocks like Bngo and other high growth companies. Man, they do. What's the likelihood for Bngo to go back in the fours? I'm wanting to get 700 stocks, but 700 shares, I think you mean, but don't want to buy in the 5 and then get crushed. I would say there is less than I'm trying to underpromise and overdeliver here, but I would say that there's definitely less than a 30% chance that we see the fours again. Ever, probably. But actually, you know what? I take that back, because if the Nasdaq does bear case, if that comes to fruition, interest rates rise, taxes, if everything comes down at once, the markets are going to shit themselves, and Bionano will see $4, maybe even $3 again. Now the question is, what will Bionano's price be right as that happens, right? If we're already at $10 a share, you think we're going to dip 70% from that? No. So it depends on what we do. So I don't know. You got to make your own decision, man. This is what you got to do. Here's what you got to do. All right. You got to read the due diligence. You got to do your own technical analysis and your fundamental analysis, whatever the hell you want to do. Decide based on that. And I will also tell you that it's better to be in the red short term. For example, just look at everyone who bought in the crash halfway before the crash was over last year, right? March, COVID crash. Look at the people who bought in at the half before the crash was over, like halfway on the way down, right? Those people were looked at as idiots, and then a month later, a year later, they are geniuses. So I'll just say it's better to accumulate shares while we're down and at this low, very low valuation. For me, I think it is, okay? I think it is. Then, you know, miss the boat, you know, just waiting for that perfect entry point, because you may never get it. So I hope that helps you a little bit. But at the end of the day, you got to make your own decision, my friend. I'm not trying to tell you where to buy. You make your own decision. All right. There's nothing, man. Why is there nothing to talk about right now? The Nasdaq's still going up though. The Nasdaq is the only thing that's cool today. Man, let me check some indicators here and see how we're doing. We're looking great there. Let me look at the 5 minute, 30 minute. Oh, we still we got the bearish flip there. All right, Nasdaq is about to try to break. Look at that. That is so rare. The super trend flipped before the SAR. That is actually extremely, extremely rare. Wow, look at right here, okay? The super trend is always less likely to react. Wow, that's crazy. That's really weird. Anyways, 30-minute Nasdaq is good. 1 hourly. Did we get the 4 hourly flip? Oh, we didn't. No. Oh, no. That's scary. That's a sell signal, man. That is a sell signal. Pretty soon here, Nasdaq is about to be approaching that 4 hourly super trend resistance at 13.587. That's going to be scary. It's going to be very scary, my friends. We'll have to see what we do. I hope we get that flip. But once we get that 4 hourly super trend flip, that's all of the bullish signs of reversal that you need from the technicals, right? Of course, catalyst fundamentals, that's going to determine what happens with the Nasdaq mostly. Let's go. Auspicious. What's your 5-year prediction price-wise for Bngo? Jesus, that's too hard, man. I gotta think about that more than just 2 seconds. But I'll say above a $10 billion market cap. And right now we have less than a $2 billion market cap. So, I mean, actually, you know, that's barely a 5X. You know what? A $20 billion market cap at least. At least. If anything, I think is right. I mean, even if the Sapphire doesn't even get many sales, even if the Sapphire sales just stay like this, if we get the nano nozzle, it's done. It's over. It is over. I mean that tech is probable to be revolutionary in sequencing. So if we can take over optical genome, we already have a monopoly on optical genome mapping. We're the only people that can do it. We have the only tech that can do it. The only ones. So if we can get in sequencing, it's done. It's done, man. It is a once in a lifetime opportunity. It is. So make your own decision though. Do you have neck hair? Like, are you trying to grow a beard? Sending love. Yeah, that's a good question. Yes, I do have. I'm trying to grow the beard. It just doesn't grow. So, yeah, I will shave it if I'm gonna shave it when Bionano hits $10. Yeah, $10. I will shave. Until then, yep. You can't really see it with the crappy camera, but I'm telling you, once I get my other laptop coming in today, you will be able to. The graphics will get way better. Graphics will get way better. Sundial, Virgin Galactic, and Ford are top volume. Yes, I heard about Virgin Galactic. Yeah, Sundial. Oh, Sundial, man. Gosh, dang it. Oh my gosh, Bionano is going down more. 550. All right, let's see if my order fills. Wow, let's look at the level 2 data. 22K wall. Okay, they're getting filled. Oh boy, they're getting filled. All right, this is scary. Oh boy, is this wall about to break? Wow. The next support level, the next really big support level is 530 after 550. We'll see if we break. Wow. It looks like we might. It looks like we're going to. Yep, we did. Damn. Wow. Wow, man. That's crazy. I'll follow you, Brandon. I'll shave when Bngo hits 10. I was asking about SOS yesterday. Mind taking a look at the TA. All right, really quick, just because, all right, I'm not making an exception. I'm going to look at SOS very fast because I told this guy I would, all right? If we look at the daily chart here for SOS, very undervalued, but I don't know anything about the fundamentals about the company. It's the Bitcoin mirrors Bitcoin, so it's gotten killed. It's not a bad buy right now because it didn't really get a bounce from Bitcoin going down the hill. So, yeah, this one doesn't look like a bad buy, honestly, if you're bullish on the company, though. As far as signs of reversal, you don't really have any. Yeah, you don't really have any. So be careful with that. You have none. You have no signs of reversal that are concrete whatsoever. So RSI is looking not that bad though. So that's what I'll say with that one. I hope that answers your question. Ask me any Bitcoin questions and I'll give you a more thorough answer, my friend. Wow. Bitcoin. I mean, not Bitcoin. Bionano, dude. Wow. Crazy. 530 is the next one. We'll see if we go. We'll see if we hit that. Or what if we had something like this? Now, this is probably not going to happen, but let's see it. What if we actually draw up a trend line? Something like that. Oh, something like that. Okay, now we're kind of breaking that right now. But what if that? We do technically have 3 touch points. I guess 2. Well, we'll see if it's 3. We'll see. Damn, bro. Damn. John Grave crying. Yep, honestly. Gotta have a long-term outlook, my friends. You have to. You have to, my friends. For any stock, not Bionano, any stock, my friends. Oh, 546. Man. Wow, man. This is that. I did not expect this. I did not expect this whatsoever. Especially with the markets doing well. I'm going to add more shares. Dude, hell, I'm going to drop the rest of my buying. But how many shares can I buy? I'm going to buy the rest of my... I'm going to YOLO in here if we keep dipping. If we see 530, I may just YOLO in all my buying power. I will go down with the ship. If the NASDAQ crashes, I'm going to get absolutely annihilated, and I do not care. I do not care. I will be right in the long term, and you will suck it in the long term, bears. That's the trend line I had just added some at 547 low. Yeah, it looks like we are getting a bounce right here. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We should be. We definitely should be. And actually, I'm going to go ahead. I cannot help but add a little bit. My heart, I'm torn. I want to reduce risk, but I also really love adding below my cost basis. I'm just going to do 10. I really want to get this cost basis down. I want to get down, man. I could technically sell all and just buy back now, but I'm not going to do that. If I was a seer, I would have sold at $15 and bought back now. That's all hindsight, man. For all the people who are like, oh, I knew I should have sold. I knew I should have sold. No, you didn't. You had no idea. In hindsight, you turned out to be right. But unless you can go back in the future, you cannot. That's not relevant now. So I do get annoyed when people say, oh, I knew it. I knew I should have sold. No, you just got lucky, man. But I'm not saying you're getting lucky, but just Jason Smith, I have to go, but wanted to drop the link. My friend, Jason Smith, I got a question for you, my friend, real quick before you go. So I looked at your post and I'm very confused. So unless you are looking at a patent that is not the one that is what we were looking at, that I was looking at, this one right here, right? So you said it was 10x Genomics, right? The one that's new, I don't know if you're looking at the new one, but this one is Bionano Genomics 100%. There's no mention of 10x Genomics in this one. It's May 20th. They have it on the Webull News tabs. It's Bionano Genomics. It has the name, right? So I don't know if you're looking at a different patent. But this patent is legit. This patent is legit, man. Always right, Jason Smith. So let me know what you're thinking there. To clarify for me, the May 4th patent is the one to watch. You don't like the new one, huh? You don't like the new one? Hammer on 3 men. Yeah, there is a hammer. Yeah, there was at least. Yeah, hammer. And on the 1 minute, I think. Yeah, there's hammer candles. Yeah, we got hammer candles, which is basically just, sellers tried to push the price down and then buyers came back in. That's a sign of a reversal. Why is Bionano going to 10? Because market manipulation and suppressing of the price action and high growth and the NASDAQ has all returned its valuation, back to a unjustifiably low price. Also, the fundamentals of the company justify easily at $10. Easily. Jason, actually, you know what? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me live. I can't articulate it very well in like one sentence. Go read the damn document. Go over here. I'm just gonna send you the link right now. This is why Bionano is going to $50 long term. This is why Bionano is going to change the world right here. All right, here you go. Here you go. Boom. All right, click that document. Read. Don't even read all of that. Just read some of it. Just read some of it, man. 458 is support from big. It's early 2021 pricing. Take a look. Don't YOLO until you see solid resistance at 458. I think you mean support. If we're going to confirm the breakdown below, well, actually, right now we're actually above that right now. But yeah. Dude, it is time to YOLO. I disagree with you, my friend. Here's the thing. Here's where we differ. Fundamentally, it's fine to try to get that perfect entry point, but also in the long term, that's just not going to work because you, in my view at least, you want to accumulate as much as you can, as low as you can. So you want to accumulate as much as you can, as low as you can on companies that you really believe in. And right now, Looking dapper, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. I thought you said for some reason that looked like loaded diaper in the when I first glanced at that in the peripherals, right? I've read half the DD. It's like the Lord of the Rings trilogy. No. That is the biggest exaggeration. I need to read the damn Lord of the Rings trilogy. I've only watched the movies, man. I need to actually read them. Like, man, what a poser. What a poser for only what do you call it? For not actually reading the actual trilogy. I don't have time to read it, let's be honest. I mean, maybe someday I will. I hope I will. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, you mentioned Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, Game of Thrones, Vikings. I will go on a tangent, my friends. Be careful when you want to mention that because stocks is going to go out the window and Lord of the Rings is coming in. Well, let me see. I actually went ahead and got rid of the 548 support if there was. Yeah, there is. I would argue that 550 is probably more support than what did you say? Or 458. Wait, what the 458? I mean, I don't know if we're gonna see that today. I don't know about that. 458. I thought you said 548. Okay, you're insane, bro. You're insane. No, in my opinion, you're insane though for right now. Where's Dr. Pepper? I can't buy shares if he is not present. It's a good. Hey guys, when Dr. Pepper and the Bears are saying like, oh yeah, you know, when they're going on, you know what they do, that's a buy signal, man, because they've been wrong like almost every time. Dude, fear is still going down. The fear, and oh my god, I'm about to YOLO in Bionano with the rest of my shares. The markets are running, and Bionano is literally just going down. It's like what the. 458. I mean, hey, who knows? You can be right, man. It's just fundamentally, it's not going to happen. Fundamentally, it's just no. Oh man. Dr. Pepper got banned. I don't know. I don't even know if my moderators, I only have 2 moderators. By the way, if you've been around the channel for like a couple months and you want to be a moderator and be like, you know, have that little cool thing next to your name in the chat, you can email me or just go to the Discord and ask me, okay? Like John Graham, right? Yeah. So if you want to do that, I do need more than just 2 mods. Because here's the thing. I don't want to ban people. I'm not trying to suppress the other side, but when these bears, you guys understand, if you watch the streams, you know I get pissed the fuck off. I get pissed off all the time when I see ignorant bear comments. And if it's gonna inhibit the stream, I feel like it's okay to give a little bit of an exception, a one-time exception into, you know, taking out the other person's argument, which is crazy for a lot of things, in my opinion. Anyway, so but Nasdaq is running. Nasdaq is, man. It's crazy. Nasdaq is gone. Nasdaq is gone, man. And we're likely to get rejected right now, though. So this is actually a sell signal for the Nasdaq, believe it or not. We're at a very crucial level of resistance. Mostly because not only you have perfect congruency with these 2 levels, but you have perfect congruency with the super, well, not perfect, but basically, right? Super trend's at 13.587. That's going to be big. It's going to be big to watch. We got to watch that level. If we get that bullish flip on the 4-hourly super trend, dude, that's all you need for what do you call it? The technical bullish reversal sign. That's all you need. That's all you need. But of course, fundamentals, that's what you want to watch. Okay, you don't want to watch the technicals only. You want to watch the fundamentals. That's more important for the Nasdaq in the short term. Absolutely. Any tweet by Elon Musk about the market or anything that is going to affect the market more than anything. And anything about inflation, anything that is going to set the market on fire. And yeah, so it's a scary time. It is a very scary time right now for the markets, but short term, I feel like the high growth sector, it has a lot of room to go. Dang it, my order didn't fill. I put the guy spamming L's in timeout. Oh man, what do you call it? That sounds like too much power for me. Hey, does it make you worry that being Bionano is raising money this way? I would imagine with all the money in the sphere currently. I'm reading your post right now. I'm a CRSPR lover. What do you mean? What do you mean raising money this way? Do you mean the offerings? What are you talking about? Sorry, I don't mean to sound rude, but what are you talking about? I'm very confused. Imagine with all the money in the sphere currently. What are you talking about? 458, come on now. Is that Robbie in disguise? He just keeps creating perpetually new accounts just to keep on and doing this shit, right? Robbie owes me $1,000 if Bionano does not hit $3 flat a share by tomorrow. Yep. Serious. I'm serious. I don't see Bngo raising more cash. They have 23 million cash on hand. They can operate 3 to 5 years easily. Yes. Yes, that is true. There should be a graveyard. There should be a graveyard just for your orders that didn't fill. Okay, all right. I actually got to go soon, though. I actually got to go very soon. You are not rude. Yeah, explain that to me. Damn, I got to go right now, though. Damn. I got to go like in 5 minutes. 5 minutes or less, I'm going to end the stream. Actually, probably 3 minutes. By the way, everyone who's here now, if you don't see me make another video today, it's because I'm working on the new laptop. The new laptop's coming today, and I'm gonna get the new video settings. I'm gonna get the OBS, Streamlabs settings are gonna be sweet. The video quality. Hopefully, the next time you see a video by me, it will look the FPS will be higher. The audio will be better. Everything will be better. Hopefully. I want Illumina to burn or buy us out. That's a chance too, right? But yeah, I want Illumina to burn too. SF, send me send me your there is literally trillions floating around in the medical sphere. Anyone with half a good idea is getting a ton of funding. Oh, okay. Well, no, man, there's not. Bionano has not gotten. Hey, someone correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I got to end the stream literally in 2 minutes. But I'm just gonna say this: go to the Discord, and I will have a bear debate with you. I literally, if it's bears, I love talking to bears that are actually respectful. Which I've never had one person like that. I don't think ever. I've had one person switch to being a bull. I think. That was a bear, and then all the other bears are just absolutely retarded and not trying to get any common ground. But yeah, I'm happy to talk about that. I'll just say right now, Bionano has not got any subsidy from the government, to my knowledge, at least in the recent years. It hasn't gotten any subsidy since the run-up. Hasn't got any subsidy from the government. I assume that's what you mean. Do you mean as far as demand for the medical sphere? That's good if you're talking about demand, but that's a weird argument you're making. I never heard someone make that argument for why Bionano may not be worth its price. But that's I can debate you on that. Oh wow, we're seeing 546. All right, going all the way down. It looks like 542 is the next wall. Oh man, let me see. I'm just gonna put in an order just in case worst case comes to this scenario. I'm gonna put an order for 531 just in case. I'm gonna load. I can only buy 130 shares. Gosh dang. All right, I'm going to put a 60 share order in. All right, anyways, right now, I got to go, boys. We got to end the stream right now. I'm sorry. We got to end the stream. All right, I'll see y'all. Yeah, join the Discord. Link in the description. Free link in the description, my friend. Link in the description. Yes, SF. Oh, my gosh, I respect that so much. Yes. I would love to chat with you too, my friend. Any bear that is welcome to have that wants to have a respectful conversation, or not a bear, anyone that's a contrarian to me whatsoever. Yes, please, let's do it. Let's do it. Go on the Discord, go on the Bngo, and whatever, or direct message me, whatever the hell you want. All right, we're getting out of here. All right, boys. Thank y'all so much. We're ending the stream. All right, man. Thank y'all so much. Have a good one.